Good afternoon. Today I want to talk about my brake booster and master setup, as I've had a lot of people asking about it. I see this is a good upgrade for a lot of cars as it's simple, effective, and you can still get the parts easily. Especially for me, mine was screwed. My booster was full of rust, my master was destroyed, and the proportioning valve, it didn't really let flow through. There was all sorts of shit jammed up inside of it. So, show you what I've got here. It is a Sylvia or a Skyline booster. Pretty simple setup, and then the master is the same. Just it would be the equivalent to a Nissan BM44. This one's actually through GK Tech, a Holford Maltese one, and it's a left-hand drive one. This allowed from the lines normally sitting on this side over to this side, just a bit better for heat management. As for the inline, the bloody airline, it's down the bottom there. It's been drilled out. It's normally just a vacuum line. This has been drilled out to take the Raceworks GM style fitting, which has got the built-in one-way valve. Just makes it that much easier, and for this application it just worked way better. Bolting it in, you'd think this would be difficult, but nah. I'll chuck a photo in here of what the back plate looks like. She's 4 bolts and it is 60 by 80. As long as your bolt pattern on the firewall is the same there, that's all you have to worry about. Bolt it on, done. But you do have to worry about the push rod angle. Oh sorry, not the angle, the actual length of it. So on the factory one, before you go pulling anything apart, measure the distance from the firewall to the clevis pin hole. You need to make sure it's the same on the new one. Doesn't really matter how you achieve that, if you use bits of the old one or just put the new one to that length. As long as it's the same length, you're going to have your brakes working as they should. Alright, now you've got it bolted in, you need to make lines. For me, I got GK Tech to make me up some braided lines, which was just simpler, saved me some time. Honestly, Bundy tube would probably be tidier, but yeah, here we are with braided lines. We've got the very front one, which is your rear line. So this goes to the back, tees off to both the brake calipers, opposed to the front, which has got one to each side. This has got all your proportioning valves built into it, so not a hassle there at all. So yeah, one to each front and you're done. I don't know if you call it an upgrade. To me it is. It's nice, simple, and hey, removes all that hassle of the old Mazda junk or whatever other car you want to put it in as well. Hope this one was helpful for you guys. If there's anything else on this engine or the projects I'm working on that you want to know a little bit more about, ask away. I'll do a little bit of a video on them explaining it more in depth. Otherwise I'll just keep making these videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying watching them.